A 5-minute vocabulary lesson plan. Want to make vocabulary learning fun in just 5 minutes? Show 5 word cards. Happy, sad, angry, surprised, tired. Ask student, can you give a better word for each? Student may respond, happy, joyful, sad, miserable, angry, furious, surprised, astonished, tired, exhausted. Learning vocabulary becomes memorable when students participate. Make the vocabulary learning fun with the help of more and more flashcards and pictures. Stop teaching words, start teaching expression. Follow for more.